Welcome, fellow travelers. Today on Exit Through the Gift Shop, we visit Sucher & Sons Star Wars shop, which promises everything Star Wars under one roof. Apparently they have so much memorabilia here that it's literally spilling out into the streets. Over 55,000 people have visited this store from all over the world over the last 23 years. If you come here, you can add your pin to the map. Here's a giant replica Millennium Falcon, which was used for promotion in Toys R Us stores in the late 1990s, and one of them has found their way here. I like this Jabba the Hutt action playset. Here you can see him in all his glory. Here's a custom-made model of the Death Star trash compactor, complete with 4 figures. And here's a model setup of Aunt and Uncle's charred remains from Episode 4. Even a collection of Star Wars bathroom toiletries, Star Wars Crest mouthwash, toothpaste. I bet you've never seen a Darth Vader shower head before, but here it is. Back here's a limited edition gold can of Pepsi featuring Yoda from the release of Star Wars Episode 1. And here are authentic pieces of blown up Alderaan for only 50 cents each, with certificate of authenticity, even featuring some fan-made artwork. Model replica of Hoth. Get your picture taken on a replica speeder bike. And in a nod to Spaceballs, they're combing the desert. Jabba the Hutt. Meet Pizza the Hutt. Made out of a real pizza. Also found a whole section of Star Trek memorabilia, although it's been relegated to the back room. And get your very own Sucher & Sons Star Wars shop t-shirt. Alright, that's it for today. Check out our interactive map so you can see other interesting stores that we've been to. And listen to Yoda, who says, "Subscribe you must." Alright, that's it. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop. You're here, why not check out the Kurt Cobain Memorial?
And they made Luke, Leia, and